Hey friends, if you wish to add credit card details to Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings from the menu. Now in the search field, type the word payment and hit enter. You'll find something called as Microsoft Wallet. Scroll down, you'll find payment info. Click on it, and now you will be able to add a credit card information here. Simply click on add payment method, and then you can add your credit card information. Now, I won't add the credit card information for obvious reasons, and then click on save. But this is the method, so I won't add it for my own card privacy, but you can click on this. And if you want to add more, then simply click on new card after adding the information here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.